every week we give away over 2000 USD to users who earn the most coins by viewing posts and referring new users. Now if you stick with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you what you should know about this platform and how you can earn every single day just by viewing posts right in this video. In my previous video, I made mention of a particular website that will pay you for viewing posts and also text, which many of us has taken advantage of. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a more advanced way you can earn by viewing posts and also making good use of this platform. And so before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaking, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you various ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without no further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. So now when you go ahead, clicking the first link below the description of this video or on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. The next thing you want to do is to click on this yellow button that says get started for free. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So you can either sign in with your Apple ID, your Google account, or your Facebook account, or better still, come down here to input your registered email address, then put in a password. Put in a password you will always remember, then come down here to click on create account. Then automatically your account will be created on this platform. But since I have an account with this platform, all I just want to do is to continue with Google. And so right now I just signed into my account, and on this platform you get to be paid in coin, and which you can actually withdraw using different methods, which I'll be showing you right in this video. Now on your account you have the dashboard, the discover, messages, post, referrals, context, wallet, settings, help, and log out. I'll be explaining these submenus to us so you can get to understand how perfectly you can work with this website. Now when you come over to your wallet, you're going to be seeing that there are several ways you can use to withdraw your earnings from this platform. Right now on my balance, I have a total balance of 434 coins. Now if you actually want to convert your coins into USDT, all you just want to do is to come down here to this yellow icon right here, just click on it, and you're going to be converting your points into USDT. So right now, once you're on this page, you're going to be seeing the current exchange rate for the conversion of coins to USD. When you come right here, you're going to see the awareness. It said please be aware of the minimum withdrawal amount for each payment method. Also know that the withdrawals are proceed at the beginning of each calendar month. Okay, so right now you can go ahead to click on the minimum withdrawal limit so you can get to see this for yourself. Now under conversion, they said enter the number of coins you want to exchange for money. So like I said, what you do on this platform is to view text, view ads, and once you're done, you'll be paid some certain amount of coin, and those coins can be converted into money. Carefully review the conversion before you make your conversion right on your account. So right now I have available balance of 434 coin. Right now if I want to go ahead to convert this, I just have to come down where it says amount to convert and input the amount I want to convert, then click on this yellow button that says convert. Okay, so once you have actually inputted the amount you want to convert from coins to dollar, you'll be seeing the actual amount under this conversion overview. But right now I have not gotten up to 5,000 coin. Once I'm able to gather 5,000 coin on my account, I'll be able to come down here to convert this 5,000 coin into USDT, and I'll be able to place withdrawal on my account. And so right now I'm explaining the basic details you need to take note before starting to use this particular platform to earn for yourself. So right now when you go over to settings, you are going to be seeing method of payment which you need to set before you start earning on this platform. When you come down here, right now I've actually set my own to be the USDT. You can actually come down to where it says change payment method. So once you click on change payment method, you're going to be seeing several ways you can use to withdraw your earnings from this platform. Now we have the bank transfer, which the minimum is $50. Now we have the skill, which the minimum is $20. If you're actually withdrawing with your Bitcoin, the minimum withdrawal is $10. And once you're actually using your USDT to withdraw, it's also $10. Now fastest pay is the minimum you can get on this platform, which is $2. Once you have actually gotten up to $2, you can actually place withdrawal on your account, and the max is $20. So this is what you need to set before viewing or watching ads on this platform. So once you have actually done that, all you just need to do is to come down here and click on save. Then your payment method, your withdrawal method will be saved on your account. Now it says the minimum payout amount for bank transfer is 50 USDT. For skill, the minimum is 20 USDT. For Bitcoin and USDT payout, the minimum is 10 USDT. For Faucet Pay, the minimum is 2 USDT and maximum is 20 USDT. So these are what you should take note before you proceed in using this platform to earn for yourself. Payment method set at the end of the month will be used to pay out your balance. Now the cryptocurrency transaction network fee will be deducted from your payout. So these are what you should take note before you continue with this platform. And so right now you can as well come down to where it says USDT details and update your payment details right on your account. So once you go ahead clicking on update payment details, it's going to be displaying your USDT address where you can actually put in your address, your network, your full name and all your details. So once you're done, you just have to save this on your account and your payment method will be saved right on your account. However, since all these things have been put in place, the next thing you want to do is to keep earning on your account. Now to earn, you just have to come over to where it says discover. So once you click on discover, you're going to be seeing something like this. This is actually an ad that you have to view for some seconds and be paid some certain amount of coin. So right now what you just have to do is to stay on this page for some seconds and you be paid some amount of coin. Once you have actually stayed on this page for some seconds, you just have to come down here and click on this button, then click on show next post. So next post will actually start loading. As you can see, this green that is actually loading. So once this has loaded to the end, what you just need to do is to like this post and click on next. So at the end of the post you have actually viewed on this particular page, you'll be paid some certain amount of coin. So right now this has actually completed and we've stayed on this page for some seconds. What you just want to do right next is to come down here and click on like, which is this love, then click on next post. So this is what you keep doing, keep viewing this text for some seconds and you get to be paid some amount of coin. So once this has actually loaded to the end, you just have to come down to your account, click on this love button, then click on show next. So this is what you keep doing and you'll be accumulating enough coin for yourself. So after you've actually accumulated coin or you just want to stop viewing text, you just have to close this page, then go to your account. Then you can actually see the total of coins you have actually accumulated on your account. So right now I've actually clicked on this. The next thing I want to do is to click on show next post. So it's going to show me another post on my account. So once you keep doing this, you keep accumulating enough coin for yourself on your account. A better way you can use to maximize your earnings on this platform is when you come over to your account, click on the referrals, you're going to be seeing an interface that explains to you how much you'll be getting when you bring an individual to this platform. Now it says refer new user, they get 100 coin plus 100 coins extra, you get 300 coins reward. Now this is what you'll be getting when you bring an individual to this platform using your affiliate link. It says only qualified referrals counts towards the referral reward. The referred user must view at least 40 posts to become qualified for you to receive the referral reward. Okay, so 40 posts must be viewed for you to qualify and receive your referral reward. Okay, so right now what you just want to do is to come down to where it says share your link, copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends so you keep getting extra reward for yourself on your account. So once you actually invite an individual to this platform, be rest assured that you're actually getting 300 coins for yourself. So when you come down here, you're going to be seeing the total number of people you've referred on your account and how much you have been making through your referral. As you can see under the referral program, it says refer enough user in 1 month and receive a generous bonus, unlock bonuses one by one and earn more than $400 per month. So you can actually see that you can actually get enough coin for referring individuals to this platform. And you can also go ahead to set up your payment method from this interface. So you can see how free and user friendly this platform is. You can use the link below the description or in the pinned comment section to set up an account for yourself and start earning, and it's totally free. You don't have to invest to start viewing posts on this platform to earn every single day. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find these links down there in the video description. So see you on my next video and keep winning.